welcome back to another video. Today I will be showing you how to use BlockBench to make a modded entity. So first you pick the version you want. For me, I want to do 1.15. I'm pretty sure that works for versions that all start with 1.15. Then you write the file name. Oh no, why not ASDF? Small identifier, ASDF. And then why not we create these maybe to be 19 so that we can have a bigger model. Confirm. And then you create one texture. And why not we name it the text, because we don't want the name to be too long. And then the folder, we can name that anything, ASDF. And then you can set the background, the resolution, I'll say 19. And then, if we want to add a cube, you just click there, it adds the cube, and then up here, this is the move tool, resize, rotate, pivot, vector. So I would want to do resize, and as you can see, it uses up a bigger part of the texture. And if we resize, I think you can set it up to maybe like 30. So why don't we try that? Now, if we want to change that all to white, we can do that by using the paint bucket tool and just coloring it onto that plate over here. And then if you want to do exactly what you want, you can create it on here. And there is an eraser tool, so you could do that. But we don't want that. So then there is these things, which right now I cannot see because it's showing me something on my screen. So there is this color browser, and then you can pick and choose here. There are some other things. You could just do it from here, and you can add to palette. And then you can't use multiple textures, but if you want, you could use import texture, but that still would not work. And then there's draw shape, which then does this. Color picker. If I do that, it just adds it back. Draw shape. And then I'm pretty sure you can do connected colors, or just every cube. But since we want to create a bigger thing, we should add on another cube. And then we might want to move it like that. And then make that a bit bigger. And then we can actually wait. We don't want that because we can just delete that. Move that all the way to the corner. Resize it. Like this. And also, we should move that one down. And that one down there. And then we can do this. Duplicate. And then that now is the next one. And then we might want to paint. So I think I might try and make a zombie. So I could do it like this because they both have the exact same texture. Whatever gets painted on them like this will be the same for both sides, which I think is a good use for it. And also it means that it takes less time to do something really cool. So then, what if we wanted a bit of a difference, like cutting this in half? I think there is a way to do that. So, we could resize. And then duplicate. Move it. This one actually needs to get moved. So now both of these could be the same size. I don't know if they are. And then this would be a good time to use the picker to pick it, and then we use the paintbrush to paint that on. As you can see, it could become a problem. Like that. But it's okay. I think we might try and use the pivot tool. Nope. I guess we might have to try and get our best like that. Wait, I think we got it. Oh, yeah. we might want to actually delete that bit. Although the textures could get hard. Because if you don't put them in the right way, it could become a problem. Or, if we wanted, we could actually make it look like there isn't any more by using eraser and destroying that bit, making that part invisible. But we could still put this all back. We could just make it look like it's a broken zombie. Kinda weird. So if we wanted it to be a broken zombie, we would need it broken on both sides for it to look right. So moving on from that, we could add on another cube. Make that one go to here. Why not we move it so that okay, I think we might want to do a bit more work on the texturing, although that might be good. Now we just get texturing on that bit. So I'm going to try and make, wait, let me try this. Yep, that worked. Now we go back to that, and then add some derpy black eyes. Yeah, that kind of looks weird. And then why don't we add a bit on the side? And then we'll add a bit of hair. So you could also move around the textures so that you have more space. And it could look pretty crazy. So now you know about textures and the 3D modeling tool. Then when you want to export it as a Java entity, you just press that. Okay, bye. Also, you should probably name each one. So I'm actually going to do that, but you can't see. And also, you might want to press this button right here and then name that one. Although you can't see it because you can only see this screen that. And then when you see the check mark, that's when you know your texture is saved. Goodbye.